Hello guys, and welcome back to another brand new video about Forex Account Management Service. And in this video I will show you the last week results of our account management service. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part I will show you the last week profit and withdrawals of my clients, and in the second part of the video I will try to answer some frequently asked questions. If you want to join our account management channel, just open your Telegram and write in search box MFC_accounts ACCOUNTS, and this is my real Telegram channel, and you can note the username of my real Telegram channel. And guys, be careful, there are a lot of other scammers channels, and here are the scammers channels, and you can note their username of their fake channels, and the username are different, and they are using my name and my profile pictures. So guys, be careful and join the original channel. So guys, this is my account management channel, and in the last week this was one of my client and his deposit was $7,600 and I made $1,600 profit on his account. This was another client with the deposit of $1,500 and I made $442 profit on his account. In the last week, this was another client with the deposit of $1,800 and I made $173 profit on his account. Same like that, this was another client with the deposit of $660 and I made $75 profit on his account. This was another client with the deposit of $700 and I made $80 profit on his account. This was another client with the deposit of $2,800 and I made $878 profit on his account. Same like that, this was another client with the deposit of $55,000 and I made $7,000 profit on his account. And guys, here is the valuable feedback from our those clients who are already enjoying our account management service. Almost 2000 plus people voted us that we are trusted. I would like to say thank you so much to all these clients. Actually, we manage all the clients' accounts very carefully. That's why people are happy with our account management service. Now let's move to the second part of the video, and I have write down some frequently asked questions, and the question number 1 is, what is account management and how it works? So guys, account management is a way or a process in which you have to send me your login details of MT4 or MT5 account, and I will trade on your account and I'll make profit for you. And when I will open the trade in my personal account, I will also open the trade in your account, and the earned profit will be shareable between us. So the question number 2 is, what is the profit share percentage? So the profit sharing percentage is 50-50% from total earned profit. 50% will be your profit share and 50% will be mine profit share. Let's suppose your account size is $1,000 and we made a profit of $200. That means $100 will be your profit and $100 will be our profit share. So the question number 3 is, when will we share our profit, daily or weekly? So guys, profit sharing is almost on daily basis, or when we will make 10% profit, we will do profit sharing. Let's suppose your account size is $1,000 and we made a profit of $100, so we will go for profit sharing. Same like that, if your account size is $10,000, so when we will make $1,000 profit, we will go for profit sharing. So the question number 4 is, what is the minimum account balance to start? So guys, the minimum is only $500 to start with us. If you have a real MT4 or MT5 account on any trusted broker with the deposit of $500, you can join us. So the question number 5 is, how will I send you your profit share or payment methods? So guys, you can send me my profit share by using Binance Pay ID or using crypto wallets like Bitcoin, USDT, TRC20, or you can also send me using Skrill. Mostly my clients are using crypto wallets to send me my profit share. So the question number 6 is the last question, and the question is, how can I join your account management service? So if you are interested to join our account management service, you must have a real MT4 or MT5 account with the deposit of $500, and you need to send me your login details of MT5 account so we can start. So this is my Telegram channel. Join this channel, and this is my admin username. You can send a direct message on my Telegram inbox, and you have to send me your login details of MT5 account so we can start. I hope guys you are understood now. If you still have any other question, you can send me a direct message here, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.